Hello, my name is Chris, and today we will be talking about energy. All objects contain a certain amount of energy, and this energy can come in two different forms, potential and kinetic. Potential energy is energy due to position, while kinetic energy is energy due to motion. Unless there are external forces acting on an object, the amount of energy an object has cannot change. Let's use this ball as an example. When the ball is at the top of its path, its energy is purely potential because its velocity is zero at this point. And when it is at the bottom of its path, its energy is purely kinetic, because it is back to where it has started from, and its velocity is highest at this point. So, what can we do with this knowledge? Well, we can predict how high something will go given a certain initial velocity, and how fast it would hit the ground if it is dropped from a known height.
Let's imagine, as physicists often do, that we live in a world without friction. The roller coaster starts at the top of the hill at rest. Here, its energy is purely potential. As it thunders down the hill, the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, and at the bottom of the hill, all of the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Then, it starts going through the loop-de-loop, and because the roller coaster is fighting gravity, the kinetic energy is converted back into potential energy. It continues through the loop to where the energy is purely kinetic and flies off the tracks with a known speed. And because we know this speed, we can place a giant pillow right where the roller coaster will land and nobody will get hurt.
So that is conservation of energy in a nutshell. Next time, we put it to the test. Or see how much energy we can lose to friction, because it's kind of a big deal when setting up this experiment. Until then.